Mr. Mountain.
Kind of a nice looking little backyard.
We're here visiting Mr. Mountain and his care facility, Carmel Hills. Yay. Right?
What?
Right? Right? You're supposed to say yes.
What? I'm deaf as a post.
Oh, yeah, I understand that. But we came to visit Mr. Mountain, and last night was weird. Ended up calling an ambulance for myself. I felt really strange. Don't know what it was. We're gonna go see the doctor about it today. And Sugan took the day off to take care of me, I guess. And yay, so much fun. And we're now at Costco to get some shelves and some cheapo lunch. This is what we're after. And we got muscles here trying to lift. Oh, there's a disaster waiting to happen.
Look, Zach
Hold on.
here.
I mean, it's only a regular the same as ours, just backwards.
Lunch is served. Yum, 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 yum. We've shopped. To the doctors.